Hey, what's up good people, Vlad here. Today we get to see the cool lights from Godox. This is the TL30 light tube. These lights, type of lights, can be used in every situation. For example, to create a cool atmosphere in the background, to add additional light on a subject or object, to produce some cool effects, and so on. They are available as a single light, dual or quad kits. I got here a dual kit which comes in this cool hard carrying case that hides so many things inside. Obviously, two light tubes are here, dual threaded connectors, so you can connect two of these lights to a single larger tube. We have two USB Type-C cables for charging or the continuous power, two clamps that can be used to mount the lights on a tripod or any fixture that has a standard quarter 20 thread. But we also have a bunch of accessories here as well. There are two carrying leather straps with quarter 20 screws, two underwater bags, yeah, these can be used underwater as well, and we also have two grids here, which are used to direct light more rather than spill it all over the place. So as the name says, TL30, this also signifies that these lights are 30 centimeters long. They are also available as 60 centimeter variants. These are 8 watts full RGB LED lights with CRI index of 99 and TLCI index of 96. Pretty much these are A-rated lights. You can use them to enhance an object or the subject while you record something, or to be used with some cool effects. And because they are video lights, they are of course flicker free. Let me show you how easy it is to use them. On the light we have 3 buttons and one wheel which also doubles as a button. There is a power on-off button, mod button, which is used to cycle between white light mode, RGB mode and the effects mode. While in white light mode you can actually set the warmth of the light ranging from 2700 kelvins up to 6500 kelvins, so you can have either warm or cool light or something in between. Since all LED lights tend to shift to either green or magenta during lifetime, there is also a green-magenta shift adjustment on it, so you can precisely dial the correct amount on either side to compensate and keep the lights as white as possible. While in RGB mode, you can pretty much shift from 0 to 360 degrees of the color spectrum. This is the hue setting, and you can also dial the saturation amount of the set color. Pressing the mode button again will enter the effects mode. It has 12 effects here, simulating a police car, candlelight, damage bulb, TV flicker and many more. Pressing the dim button will allow you to set brightness level on the dial in increments of 1, or if you scroll fast it will switch in increments of 10. If you ask me about battery life, well, this is totally dependent from one to another scenario. If used at 100% it can last up to 1 hour, maybe even less. But if you use it on something less, like 30 to 40%, it can last up to 3 hours. For example, I am using these lights as a fill lights constantly for my talking head videos. I have my main source of light here, but this side of my face is filled. You can see that there is a tube here. If we turn this off, you can see that my face is darker on this side. So the color reproduction index is 99%, so the colors on screen, on camera, are on point, so no problems in that area. I used them in the past to add ambient light effects to certain videos. I am still using them, and they can give you pretty much good results. You are the limit with your creativity, not the lights themselves, unless they run out of battery, but that is not a problem either, because they can be used with USB plugged in continuously. So having a power bank is actually a nice thing to have if you need these lights somewhere outdoors, for example. Just keep that in mind. Clamps are nice to have. They have rubber on the inside, so lights can't fall off if used on a light stand or a tripod. But that is not all. Every end of the light is also magnetized, so you can stick the lights to any metal surface. And if you need them on a surface that is not metal, in the package there are plenty of metal pieces with 3M tape added to them, so you can stick the lights to them. Stick the metal on a surface and then stick lights to them. But on both ends there are angled edges, and this is actually cool, as you can angle the lights in any direction if used on a flat surface. But actually, if you stick them to a metal surface on the wall, for example, they can still be slightly angled to suit your needs better. The lights are also mildly diffused, as the front is kind of milky and not fully transparent. This is actually nice because it is reproducing soft light which flatters your skin when you record human subjects. They also come with a little grid. This is the grid thingy. This is used to direct light rather than spill the light. I mean, if we look at this, you can see that light is spilling on my hand. But if we use the grill, the light is more directed in the front, not spilled around. So, cool thing to have. But this is not all. They have Bluetooth built in, and you can use the Godox app, which allows you more precise control of everything. All the color modes, RGB modes or effects are more easily accessible from here. The app is almost as good as Sidus Link that Aperture offers. For example, if the lights are already positioned somewhere and are hard to reach, using the app is super convenient. If you need a light kit that offers versatility, then this is the thing for you. The single light is around $80 US, but it does not include the underwater bag, nor the hard case, nor the grill. The dual kit is around $200 US with all the included items, and the 4-kit version is around $400 US with the addition of octagonal connector, which allows the connection of 8 lights to create some cool effects. Hope you liked this video, guys. Check my previous Godox light review, the ES45 esports light panel, in the corner. Sub to the channel, like and share the video, and I'll see you in the next one.